often. So as complicated as it is, I'm gonna try to explain it to you as simple and easy as possible in under 3 minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Damaris, also known as Oh She Knows Keto, and here is where I document my weight loss journey and I give you guys my tips, tricks, and secrets to my keto weight loss thus far. So if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe because I don't hold anything back over here. You get all my juice. As I just mentioned, I get asked about keto so often and people seem to not really grasp the basics of it. So in this video, I'm gonna try to explain it in under 3 minutes. All right, let's see how I do. So start the clock now. Okay, keto is a low carb, high fat, moderate protein diet. Keto is short for ketogenic diet. By eating low carb, you're forcing your body into the state called ketosis. Ketosis is when your body is using dietary fat and your body fat for energy. On a typical diet, like pretty much any other diet, you will use glucose, which you get from carbs. And carbs are things like pastas and rice and beans and certain fruits and vegetables. And on keto, you cut all of that out and you essentially just get all your carbs from veggies. So eating less than 20 grams of net carbs, and net carbs are the total carbs minus the fiber. So basically, if you eat low carb, less than 20 grams of net carbs, your body naturally goes into a state of ketosis. And by being in ketosis, you use your body fat for energy. Essentially, you lose weight just by living your life. If you guys are interested in learning more about keto and how it works and a very simple guide, like I get straight to the point, make sure you check the links below because you can download my ebook. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're into this sort of thing, also make sure you subscribe because this video is dedicated to the ketogenic diet, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.